Next recipe from the Beetlejuice cookbook. We're gonna make a shrimp cocktail. We're not actually gonna use this recipe. She has a aioli for a dipping sauce. I'm doing the classic, what's the seafood sauce called again? My mind went blank. Cocktail sauce. I can't believe I forgot that. Robert makes a really good cocktail sauce. And so we got really big shrimp that we're defrosting right now. And Robert's gonna grill them up on some shrimp, on some wooden skewers that we've had soaking. So we're making shrimp skewers, and then he's gonna do cocktail sauce. You know what the shrimp cocktail sauce scene is in Beetlejuice. If you've seen it, it's one of the best scenes. And if you Google the internet, there's 20 billion different ways to make cocktail sauce. We're just doing, cocktails, shrimp cocktails. There's 20 different ways for shrimp cocktails. We're doing the classic with shrimp cocktail sauce. These are the shrimp we picked up from a local seafood market. They're jumbo shrimp. They have been deveined, but they haven't been peeled completely. I'm gonna peel off the body and just leave the tail. They are raw. I know they look cooked because you're like, oh, they're red. That's just the type of shrimp they are. I think they're Gulf shrimp. Robert's gonna look it up for me real quick. So they are naturally red, not gray, like the typical shrimp that people buy at the grocery store. Robert looked it up. These are Gulf Royal Red. I'm leaving the tails on. And in the Beetlejuice book, she just said use like blackened seasoning on top. We are going to use a sweet soy glaze because that's what we feel like with our shrimp. And we happen to have it on hand and need to use it up. So there we go. All right, the skewers have been soaking so they don't catch on fire on the grill. These are very limp shrimp. Is that gonna be a problem, Robert?
I don't know, we'll find out.
Have you ever grilled shrimp?
Never.
Never. So
Never. This is
new.
the first. I just see them do it places, and I assume if they can do it, I can do it.
We can do anything we set our mind to.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
Okay, 1, 2, I'm doing 6 to a skewer because I soaked plenty of skewers. If I don't use them, can I just let them dry out and use them again?
Sure.
Or is it ruined now that I soaked them?
No, it's not. Why would it be ruined?
I don't know, because I make everything complicated. All right, so.
It's just a stick with water in it.
Just a stick. That's, ooh, see, I have a cat watching. Uh-oh. It made 5 skewers, so we had 30 shrimp. I don't remember the price. I thought it was fair, but it was expensive. There's not many really good shrimp places in St. Louis because we're St. Louis, we're the Midwest. But the place we went, we do enjoy their seafood. The cocktail sauce is 1/2 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of horseradish, and a dash of Worcestershire. Well, how do you say this again?
Worcestershire.
A dash of Worcestershire. And then he put the glaze on, and you know, if you're a Disney fan, this glaze has the same ingredients that Ohana uses at their restaurant for their shrimp.
I must leave.
All right, I'll be out there in a minute. Robert's mixing it for me real quick. He says there's a deer in the neighbor's yard, so I'm gonna run out real quick. Don't do it. You're not gonna like horseradish sauce. You're not. Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me. Is it good?
It's good.
All right. Oh, wow. He's actually very close to the road. This is a road where people really shouldn't go over 30, so hopefully he won't get hit. It's a boy. He's got antlers. Oh. Yeah, if I could focus on him. I saw a cart go slow. They're going. True.
Oh, more space.
I guess we need a bigger grill. I'm glad I only did 5 skewers. I'll remember that for the future.
Yeah.
My idea of 8 would not have fit.
No.
I did give you tongs. Please use the tongs. I added some green lettuce at the bottom. Just give it a nice little green, like Beetlejuice. Now I'm gonna put some cocktail sauce in it. And then Robert just pulled the shrimp off the grill and they look really, really good. I'm gonna line it up on the glass. Why'd you just smack me?
There was a fly on you.
A fly, I'm sure.
No.
Likely excuse. I think those look pretty darn good. Got the cocktail sauce in the middle. 12 on each glass. I had these martini glasses from, I don't know, my last job. Had them for years. Thank you for grilling these for me. He did, what, 2.5 minutes on each side?
Yep.
So first I'm just gonna not dip it, just the tip of the soy sauce glaze. And it gives it like a Hawaiian theme. That's pretty good. I like that.
It's different. It really is. I like
But
it.
I also like a classic cocktail. I think I really like grilled shrimp better than just typical peel and eat. Like, was it too much work? Would you do it again?
Yeah, I might do a different sauce.
Oh yeah, but I mean, I just feel like it's better than like the
Yeah.
typical, just plain old.
I think I might just do it
Boiled
without,
shrimp.
try it without a sauce and see what happens. Just curious. Because you have the cocktail sauce.
You mean like no seasoning at all, not even salt and pepper?
Maybe salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Yeah, I like the grilled.
I feel like the wood flavor though. There's a wood flavor there.
Oh my goodness. That's good shrimp. This is jumbo shrimp. I don't know if it looks jumbo. I mean, I've seen bigger, but this is jumbo. Like, it's as big as my eyeglass lens. I don't know why we don't make shrimp cocktails more often. It's so delicious.
Because it's like a $30 meal.
Okay. That's why. Because it's a $30 meal.
And that's our cost.
Yeah, that's our cost. Like, when we went to the Grand Canyon with my sister and her family last summer, I don't know the exact price. There was a video, but she got a shrimp cocktail and it had like 5 itty bitty shrimp, and it was like $14 for 5 itty bitty shrimp. We were like, what?
Yeah, but they had to fish them out of the Colorado River there, so.
No, they didn't. The other thing I'm surprised is the cats are no longer swarming us. Once they're cooked, they don't have a shrimpy, fishy smell at all. Apparently they don't like cooked shrimp because they're not like, normally they're all over us.
Hey,
Don't get me wrong, there are cats in the background, but they're not swarming us like they were when we took them out of the package.
Danny, no growling. Oh, I wasn't Danny. It was nutmeg.
Are you giving Nutmeg a piece of shrimp?
I gave her a little piece of shrimp.
He causes their bad
She
behavior.
decided to growl at everybody.